Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Unibase token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Unibase UB is a decentralized infrastructure layer that provides persistent, verifiable memory and interoperability for autonomous AI agents, aiming to power an open agent internet, solve AI memory and interoperability, addresses the lack of long-term memory and data sources in traditional AI systems by offering a decentralized cryptographically verifiable memory layer, modular three-pillar architecture built on three core modules, Mainbase for storage, AIP for agent communication, and Unibase DA for high throughput data availability. Web3 native agents ecosystem. Its utility token UB facilitate governance, staking, and payments within a growing ecosystem of interoperable AI applications. Unibase project institution rating is 3.9. Unibase token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.5 billion UB token. UB token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.